Hello and welcome. Today's tutorial is on the Sidekick. There's the move, and here is a slow-mo. To begin this move, you're going to start off in the closed position, just a standard grip in your palm. The important part is that the safe handle, so that is the one with the dull side of the blade here, that's not going to cut you. I've marked that with no tape here. The safe handle is going to be closest to your palm. Okay, so I've got my thumb on top of the safe handle and my 4 fingers wrapped around the back of the knife like so. Once you have this position, all you're going to do is you are going to start by taking your palm and pointing it downwards. The first part of this move looks like this. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. So all you're going to do is, after taking the safe handle, pointing your palm downwards, you're going to take your bottom 3 fingers and release the bite handle. Then you're going to take your bottom 3 fingers again and you're going to wrap them around the safe handle like so. Then you're going to use your wrist and you're going to flip upwards to get the bite handle on top of your index finger knuckle like so. So once again, safe handle, palm down. You're going to release with your bottom 3 fingers. You're going to wrap your bottom 3 fingers around the safe handle. Then you're going to use your wrist to flip upwards, at which point you're going to take the dull side of the blade and flip it back downwards, like so. So what that'll look like is just like that. Really simple. Okay, so now that you can do that, you can take the safe handle, point it downwards, flip the bite handle over the back of your hand, and then flip it back forwards, like so. The next step, this is where it gets kind of tricky, is this little twist, which looks like that. And I'll show you how to do that now. So again, after taking the safe handle up and back down, what you're going to do is you're going to use another wrist flick, and you're going to cause the bite handle to swing in the air, except instead of having it hit your knuckle here, what you're going to do is at the point when it's in the air, you're going to take your index and thumb and do a little bit of a twist in a clockwise direction, and you're going to cause the bite handle to be pointing downwards and the blade to be pointing outwards. So I'll show you that again. So up, down, back up, and twist, like so. Boom. And so what that'll look like, up, down, twist, just like so. Okay, so now that you can do that, safe handle, up, down, twist. The next step is really simple, and all you got to do is take the dull side of the blade here, flip it over the back of your hand, like so, at which point you can take your bottom 3 fingers, extend them, and do a forwards flick, and then catch the bite handle like so to finish the move. So let's see that again. So all you're going to do is you're going to take the safe handle, palm down, bite handle up over your hand, blade down over your fingers. You're going to flip up and do a twist. You're going to take the dull side of the blade, flip it over the back of your knuckles, extend your 3 fingers, and forward like so. And to put that all together, just like that. Bam. And just like so. And that is the Sidekick. So thanks for watching. One really nice thing about this move is a really simple, easy to learn opening, but it winds up with the blade pointing downwards. So it's really nice for if you want to cut something, whereas a lot of other vertical openings will end with the blade pointing upwards, which is no good. Another tip I can give you is this one will cause some knuckle pain just because there's a lot of ricochets in a kind of a sensitive area. And all I can tell you is just to man up, handle it. You will be fine, and it's a really cool looking move, so I think a little bit of knuckle pain is worth it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like it. Peace.